look at these hens. These are beautiful. Now let's discuss the hens. We have, looks like we have some garlic over here. Let's talk about these hens.
So these hens are made with some olive oil, garlic, a lot of garlic.
A lot of garlic, okay.
Some rosemary, poultry seasoning, a little bit of paprika, salt and pepper. And what's going to happen now is that these hens are going to be set aside, and this juice that you see down there, let me see if I can get a better view of the juice, but the juice that you see down here is going to be turned into a kind of like a little sauce. So all of this good garlic is going to get, oh, and lemon.
Nice.
It's going to get blended, and it's going to become like a little gravy. And while these little birds sit and rest for maybe like 15 minutes while the rest of the stuff is cooking. And the rest of the stuff includes some green beans, asparagus that's in the oven, of course the mashed potatoes that are already done and ready, just staying warm, and some wild rice.
Wild rice.
Yes. And the asparagus, you can look at it.
Let's see. Beautiful. Look at that asparagus.
It's roasting.
Beautiful.
Right.
All right, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, as always, do not cut your birds until they've rested for a while. If you cut the birds too early, they will dry out. So one of the secrets of any kind of a bird or even a steak is do not cut them too soon. You need to let them rest, and we're going to let them rest. And what Angie's doing right now is she's going to cover them with a little bit of the butter or the olive oil and some of the seasoning right here. It's going to be excellent. Are you ready? It's going to be excellent.
It's going to be excellent. This is our Christmas 2017 dinner.
2017 dinner coming up. Here it is. Bon appetit.
Oh.